Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is the MEL meter. This is the top model, the MEL 8704R REM ATDD. So basically the standard MEL meter just detects EMF, electromagnetic frequencies, which is something spirits give off. But this more advanced model also detects REM, static electricity, and it also has the ATDD, temperature change. So basically the power button on and off is there. We can change the units between UT and milligauss for the EMF. Backlight button on and off. It takes a 9-volt square battery in there. You've just got to take the screw out. And this stand pulls out so you can stand it up, which is really handy. It's got the 1/4-inch female thread, so you can mount it on a tripod, which is another handy feature. You've got some buttons here for zeroing things. So you can zero the REM if it's going off non-stop. You can zero the temperature if it's going off non-stop. You've got the temperature LED there. So red for temperature increase, blue for temperature decrease. You also get sounds with those. And you can turn off the temperature there. So the temperature detection, turn it on and off. The static, the REM, turn it on and off there. If you are carrying this in a storage bag, whatever, I'd advise taking the antenna out for the EMF, just because it might break off. It's easier just having it loose. So we should get these right around, positive to positive. The antenna is here for the REM, so that's extendable. So basically your EMF will be displayed on here, your static will be displayed on here, and your temperatures change will be displayed here. So we'll just turn it on. Right, so we've got the EMF reading there, 0 milligauss, and the temperature is there, 70 degrees Fahrenheit, but you can change the units for both. So that one changes the units for the EMF, backlight on and off. So at the moment the REM's off, so if you open the back cover, turn the REM. So we've got the green power light to show that's on, and then if I go near the antenna, got the lights and sound at the top, so the closer I get to it, wait for it to go off. There we go. So I'll turn that feature back off and we'll try the temperature detection. Right, so now the temperature detection is turned on. If the temperature goes up, this will light red. If the temperature goes down, this will light blue. Obviously, room temperature is not changed since I've just turned it on, so it's not gone off. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.